understanding the phrase, charge like a rhino. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting English idiom that paints a vivid picture with just a few words. Charge like a rhino. This phrase is a great example of how English uses the characteristics of animals to describe human actions or behaviors. Let's unpack its meaning and use, so you can start incorporating it into your conversations. When we say someone charges like a rhino, we're drawing a comparison to the way a rhinoceros charges when it feels threatened or aggressive. Rhinos are known for their powerful, direct, and often unstoppable charges. So, this phrase metaphorically describes a person who acts with great force, determination, and without hesitation. It's usually used to depict someone who goes into a situation with all their might, not holding back, much like a rhino charging towards something without any signs of stopping. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. When it comes to defending his team's project ideas, John charges like a rhino during meetings, making sure their plans are heard and respected. Despite the risks, she charged like a rhino into the competitive world of entrepreneurship, determined to make her startup a success. In the final moments of the game, the team's star player charged like a rhino towards the goal, securing the winning point. These sentences show the phrase can be applied in various contexts, from professional settings to personal ambitions and competitive sports, illustrating a person's intensity and determination. Understanding when to use charge like a rhino is key to applying it effectively. Use it to praise or describe determination and boldness. It's a powerful way to acknowledge someone's fearless approach or commend their spirited effort. In motivational contexts, this phrase can inspire others to tackle challenges with full force and not shy away from obstacles. Be mindful of the context. While it's a positive descriptor in many cases, remember that charging like a rhino implies a lack of subtlety or strategy. It's best used when the situation values strength and directness over caution or diplomacy. Charge like a rhino is a vivid and compelling phrase that brings the dynamism of the animal kingdom into our daily language, highlighting the beauty and expressiveness of English idioms. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the richness of English and encourages you to charge like a rhino into your language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.